Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and I am so excited. Today is the day that our introduction to working with crystals class goes live. It is now available. So if you are curious about crystals and how they can be used to help you to stay in balance and manifest the life you want, you definitely want to head over and check out our page that tells you all about this class. So this workshop is available online. It is a class that we offered virtually through Star and Splendor, and I have broken the class down and we added in some extra parts so that you can learn smaller bites of working with crystals. But overall, the class is a little bit over 2 hours long. This workshop will introduce you to healing crystals that can enhance your personal energy and support you mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. The topics that we cover in the class are why we work with crystals as energy healing tools, how to choose specific crystals to assist you with specific intentions, the basics of intention setting and crystal programming, methods for cleansing and clearing and charging your crystals, and general how to care for them, how to use your crystals in your daily life to enhance your life and help you come back to balance. And we go over the healing properties of what we said was our top 10, but actually is 12 different healing crystals right directly in the class. My husband Todd and I are the managers of Crystal Cave Rocks, our sister shop on Etsy, and between the two of us, we have over 50 years of knowledge and experience of working with healing crystals, and also the geology and the science behind those crystals as well. We have each walked the crystal healing path in our own way, and we each use crystals slightly differently in our own way. I use them during healing sessions, and we both use them for specific work and using crystal grids. But there's so many different ways that we use crystals differently, so we thought it would be best for us to teach this class together. And I'm so excited for you to be able to get a chance to check it out. So if you have been looking for real information on how to work with real crystals and what the first crystals that you should add to your collection are, what we believe the most important crystals are that you should start with, you should definitely head over to transformationalhealingbydawna.com /intro to crystals. That's INTROTOCRYSTALS. I'll make sure that it's on the screen for you and in the description below. We are offering this class for a limited period of time at our short introductory price of only $37. And the class does also come with some bonuses, so check out the video on that class link. This special offer of $37 is only available for 1 week, so you have until 11:59 p.m. on September 16th to get the discounted price for the Introduction to Working with Crystal class, unless we decide to launch it again at some other time. The price definitely will be going up after the 16th. Last Tuesday, I talked about my 2 go-to crystals for protection. That'll give you a little bit of a hint of types of things that will be available in this class. And next Tuesday we are going to step away a little bit from crystals, even though the crystal launch for the class is still happening. But we need to talk about Maban. It is almost time for fall. I know that lots of you are excited for fall. I like fall, but I am kind of that summer, soak up as much sunshine as I possibly can because fall reminds me that it's time to curl back up into a ball and go back inside. And I really enjoy being outside with you and doing videos about herbs and things like that. So we are going to have to come up with some creative videos. And you should add what you want me to make videos of this coming fall into the comments below because that will really, really help. But you should also head over to transformationalhealingbydawna.com/intro to crystals and check out the class that we have. It's only up for 1 week. And I hope that I get to see you again real soon. Many blessings, tribe. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next Tuesday.